Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Ah, what's in the Lord of what's going? Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. Wait, what's that on your face, ma'am? Oh, it's beauty.
Hey, man, now we just arrived. Just relax. Just relax.
It's beauty. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hi.
Nice. Good
Oh, she
morning.
speaks. Oh, she has a voice. God. Damn. It's gonna be a good day. Good morning.
Today's gonna be a good day. Indeed, I just said that. I just told everyone today's a beautiful day. And you have to take advantage of this day because the sun is giving and you have to sunbathe. Because if not, I don't know what you're doing.
You're from home. You're one of us. It's giving load shedding here. It
Doesn't ring a bell.
It's giving load shedding? What's load shedding?
definitely know what that is. Unless you stay in Cape Town. That would make sense.
I live in Cape Town.
Yeah, you don't have load shedding, let me guess.
Yeah, no.
That's some bullshit. That's why the sun is shining.
That's why I told everyone, vote DA.
Each time when I come here, I am abused.
They didn't give us the ocean. That's kind of crazy. Ah, by the way, sorry. I'm Prince. How are you?
Hi, good day. I'm Taylor.
Oh, would you say you were?
I can see what they're doing, what he's doing. I can see it, I feel it. He's cooking.
Tailor made for me?
Oh, honey, I was tailor-made and the mold broke and I couldn't share. I just couldn't.
Yes, Shandarabasiya Kete. Oh my God. Lord have mercy upon us. Ooh, okay. Let me gather myself. Prince, relax. She's just Cape Townian, okay?
Yes, Nico.
Let me breathe. I'm Prince from Joburg.
Nice. Hi, Prince from Joburg.
Ain't never seen a pretty boy from Joburg. See me now, don't know what they do.
And you never seen a really hot chick from Cape Town. See me now.
Oh my, what the heck?
It's the beat dropping hand gesture for me. It's like gum gum gum. I see you.
So do you want to do this?
Oh, what? Girl.
Why are you biting your lip? Let's do it.
Sorry. That was for my viewers only. So, yeah. And then, oh my God. And then this.
Do you eat fat cooks on your part-time?
Here I come.
I eat stamp and beans on my part-time.
Listen. I boom you. I agree you. You see the background screensaver check. Background. You're the bouncer. Background. You're the bouncer. God damn it. Jesus Christ.
That, ooh, wee.
What?
You see that booty?
Oh my God. You know, I actually have a tattoo also. Just one.
Where? Oh, and I've got one over here. Like a...
Mine is slightly lower.
Medium rare.
Yours is?
On it. It's on it.
Season your steak. Both sides, salt and pepper.
It's on it?
Yeah.
Steak in.
So it's like I tattooed a 200 Rand note on my penis so that
And baste.
Taylor could see my money grow.
Listen. My guy.
You get it. You've got a banging body, banging personality. I'm interested. Are you like seeing anybody?
No, thank you.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
You know what you remind me of?
What?
My homework. Because I want to slam you on my desk and do you all night.
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just so important.
Someone come and fetch their son. Because somebody is taking an angel to hell. Ooh. You know I love Jesus Christ. You know I'm all
I love him
about
too.
manifestation and having a good day. And every day can be your birthday if you meet people like him.
Are you straight, actually?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, let me set the record straight, Taylor. Wait, what's that in your eye? What's that in your eye?
No.
Never mind. It's just a spark. It's
No, you sleep. Yeah. Have you ever tasted a biscuit called Melting Moments? I had a meltdown. Jesus, come and fetch your son.
I'm sorry.
I need to call your mother. Oh, I need to tell that woman I don't know what she's been eating. She need to give me the recipe so I can have my own. You wish.
You're dope, man. I think you should do lives a lot more, nah?
I should, but then I should have people like you that come and say hi into my life.
Baby, bless.
Huh? We can't have the one without the other.
Right? That's why I was asking if you're single. I'm trying to be a permanent feature up in there.
It's about to go down.
Make me sweat. Make me water.
Make me.
Gang.
Deputy Speaker, over here. Hey.
I see you like to work out a lot.
Yeah, I do.
That kind of explains why you've been running on my mind.
Oh boy!
Even made your nose bleed. Great.
I just had a moment. And I don't know how to tell you. But I realized that I need you more than I need corn. Oh golly. Oh golly.
Oh gosh, you are the air that I breathe. Your teeth remind me of a white flock of sheep. God damn it. That's a nice necklace.
Thank you.
I have another one here that I think you'd like, actually. Hold on.
Okay. Would you do me a favor?
Talk to me.
Can you get a piece of tissue? There's something on your face here.
Tissue. Okay.
Yeah.
I got a cloth.
Yeah, just use the cloth. Just wipe on the side of
I
your
can
face.
see what they're doing. What
All
he's doing.
over.
I can see it. I feel it. I can.
Yeah,
He's cooking.
I'm just cleaning my seat for later.
I request you to leave the house.
Stop the cap! Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Okay. What's shit? How would you? God damn it. Please take a seat. As you are.
Swallowed up.
Oh,
Have you
man.
ever been
You know what you-
swallowed up?
Oh, God
Have you gone through a time of swallowing where everything was overwhelming and you
Shit. No, legit. Come sit.
Come on.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Good. You're done, PD. No. She got me there because I genuinely. Let it cook. How would you describe Mount Everest?
Don't do it.
I don't know. It's big and strong.
That's what she said. That's what she said. You've got beautiful lips also.
Thank you.
Now I was talking about the vertical ones.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man. In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
So, what do you call a pig that practices karate? A job. Nobody could ever. We're a match made in heaven, honey.
Well, let's chop it up. What's your favorite number?
69.
You read my mind. I'm saying roses are red, violets are blue. I have 5 fingers. Tonight you'll get 2.
Kaka.
At least we put this matter to bed.
When is the wedding? Guys, I don't know. When do you want the wedding to be?
Listen, today, tomorrow.
Listen, I got a friend of a friend who works at Home Affairs, and I think they have an open slot.
Listen, we can go. Let's do this.
Right?
No, never. Let's put out all our eggs in one basket, including your 2. And we just go.
How many kids do you want?
Me? Listen, I think of kids as an investment. Definitely a soccer team. So that they can play, so we can make money, and they can look after us.
Jokes aside, those are chats though. Those are real chats.
100%. Did you see this bag? Can carry 10, 12.
How's the arch? How's the arch on a scale of 1 to 10?
Hey! Oh my God! I hate that I like your vibe, but I'm also disappointed why it took me so long to come across someone that has the ability and understanding, that has humor that even has a little bit of sense of humor.
Girl!
And also, it doesn't help the fact that you're very good looking, so, yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
Wait, do you watch soccer?
Do I watch soccer? No.
Because you're a keeper. Just like an Oreo, I always start with the cream in between.
I will let you lick it. Listen, don't play with my tree, eh?
Just like the tree grows on soil, I want to grow in you.
I will let you plant your roots, honey.
Saturday. I got one Saturday. You're coming with.
Oh my God. I know a plant that needs a seed.
And I've got some good soil.
I know I'm coming. They know I'm coming.
I think with you, it will always feel like a school bus, right? Because I just want to fill you with kids.
I started this shit brick by brick.
And wait, because you are the apple of my eye. I think it is chosen already. Somebody said this is the first season of How I Met Your Mother. It's like, I'll just be right there behind you, just like.
I think you should advertise. I think that Vaseline should pay you to advertise them lips.
And yeah, these lips can do a whole lot more.
Honey, I wouldn't put it past you.
You know what I would be like? I'll be like a speed trap, right? I'll definitely see you coming.
You definitely fucking see me coming. You would think that. Oh God.
Ah man, I'm trying to think of ways I can use those headphones around you.
I can show you because I'm like really good at DIY.
Do you have any experience?
Okay, Anastasia, I see you. And nothing goes to waste.
I swallow.
I promise, like, and even it's been a weird these past few months, and knowing out.
I think Maria Carey will be found shaking because you'll be hitting them high notes. So when it comes to Cape Town, I'm gonna bring this, ne? When it comes to Cape Town, I'm gonna bring this because I can picture us together.
I do my job. I try to do it well.
Wow.
Don't worry, I'll be done in a flash. No, I will.
A 2-minute noodle? I don't want that.
You look like you really are a great kisser, to be honest.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, Daddy.
Stop calling me daddy. I'm gonna give you babies. Come on now.
Well, and this is, you know what this is, where the good times happen.
Do it again, say my name.
Taylor.
Guys, if you've never met a man like this before, I think you are missing out. Staying single for years does benefit you in the long run. Now we can just be in love. Are you ready for me?
That's what she said.
Oh, you broke away from it?
No, I'm saying I think on our 4th date, I'm gonna take you to a carnival for a date because you're quite fun. Do you know why I'm saying that?
Well,
Because you remind me of the Anaconda, the roller coaster. Because the faster I go, the louder you scream.
Kaka. These are tears of joy.
Just like in winter, you always come inside when it's cold outside.
You definitely will end up having that bus and the wheels of the bus go around.
We talked about this. I saw those hips. I saw that they can carry. I saw some jiggling nyash there, and I'm like, There'll be more tears of joy when I'm going faster. We're gonna talk after this. Hopefully, I find you on Instagram. If I don't, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, you can just actually slide into my DMs here and I can allow you to come inside.
I wanna slide. Can you get married already, like you guys?
You still got a friend that works at Home Affairs?
Yeah, a friend of a friend.
I'll so long make my wedding dress out of this. Oh, wait, what time are we going? It's the only white cloth I have.
I think I need a tie. I think I'll be good.
Yeah. Where are we going?
I'm sorry we didn't discuss the theme, but the tie is pink. you need to give me a number so I can give you a ring to talk about giving you a ring.
That was a good one. I'm just letting you know that I'm eyeing you.
You are, come closer, bring it closer. You are the light at the end of the tunnel.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just like Oscar Pistorius, I can't stand that you're far away from me. Damn.
I just remember, do remind me not to buy you socks on Valentine's Day.
Why?
Eh?
That was so dark. Oh my god. Can you spell the word me?
Me? M-E?
Wait, you forgot the D. This is the part where you say, but there's no D in me. Then I'm like,
Well, we know that.
well, not yet.
This started as a joke. Now it's fun.
It's 11:20. Boys gotta go hustle.
Yes, sir.
Get that bag. But I'm going to stalk you very, very fast. Very fast. Very
I
fast.
will let you.
All right. It was absolutely an amazing pleasure. Trust me, it was. You know what? I ain't no keyboard, but you are definitely my type.
Nice to know.
So I'm gonna go polish up your seat. Hope you're ready to take a seat, man.
Darling, I'm royalty. Of course I'm ready to take a seat.
You have a beautiful smile on top of that.
Danke.
I don't know if it's half a dimple, but there's something there. There's something there. Yeah, I wish you're blushing. So that I can call you princess.
I was gonna say that.
Do you know that even a princess becomes a queen one day?
Yeah, I know.
Amen. So let's get these crowns.
Okay, bye-bye.
Come here for a kiss. Mwah. So cute. Stop it. I like it. Bye.
Bye.
I'm not losing your ass. Oh, God.